Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. If you work with gimbals like I do, one of the things that you guys will know for a fact is that these gimbals can be extremely fragile at times. So traveling with them can be somewhat of a burden. Making sure that these are going to be safe whenever you take them out is paramount. We're going to take a look at this case that was sent out to me for the DJI gimbal. Now, I like these style cases primarily because of the fact that they are preformed for whatever type of gimbal that you have. A lot of them will come with these really nice little top handles, double zippers, some way to clip on some type of shoulder strap if you use something like that. So let's take a closer look at this case and see exactly what we get. All right, guys, so the first thing that we're greeted with is going to be these really nice little zippers that you guys see here. I am a huge fan of double zippers. Start RC, most of their cases will have those double zippers, which is really nice. This is water resistant. It is shock resistant. This is kind of a very rigid material that's going to help protect your gimbal when it's out there in the field. Let's take a look at what comes inside. So as you guys can see here, we have a really nice little upper pocket here where you can store things like cables, SD cards, whatever the case it may be. Even put your phone in there if you wanted to. And this does come with a shoulder strap, and that just clips on the side where I was showing you guys there before. It has these little ringlets here on the side, and all you have to do is clip it on like so. And then you would do the same on the opposite side. Again, another one of those little ringlets. And just like that, this is ready for travel. Now inside, you're going to find that everything is preformed for you. You have a place for your gimbal right here. If you had, say for instance, one of the DJI mics, you could fit the mic in here as well. A number of other accessories. If you're not going to be using this shoulder strap, there's space for that. So for me, this is the perfect style little case because it's going to make everything very travel friendly, very safe. So whether I'm getting on a plane or jumping into my truck or concerned about my investment out in the field, I think having one of these little cases really comes in handy. You can throw it over your shoulder. You can throw it in your bag. It is water resistant. It's made of this really nice material here that is water wicking. So that comes in handy. Limited branding. You don't see a lot of branding on the case. If you look underneath here, there's no feet or anything like that, but I don't think it's really designed with that aesthetic in mind. So if you're looking for a case, guys, for your gimbals, definitely take a look at this. I think this might be exactly what you're looking for. All right, guys, this has been Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.